Hi everybody, just want to let you know how my day's gone as I went to work today. And so what I found is I had this Active 650, you can type it in. I've had it quite a few years, and if you look at the shape of it, it's like the shape, that's the upper thigh and this is the lower, and that's basically the knee. Well, I've had it on my thing all day now. As you can see, that line, that's obviously because it keeps it a little bit moist in that. But I've just taken it off and I've had it on for, let me see now, 7, 8, 9, 9 hours I've had it on. The scarring has almost disappeared with the lightness of the colour. Anyway, there's no swelling on that knee whatsoever, and it just feels great. So yes, I'm taking it off now to ease it on for the evening. But yes, I should be wearing that every night. So I kind of watched other people's videos, and I noticed people in the gym doing exercise and that, always wearing a nice tight grip around their knee support. So I thought I'd give it a go. Got nothing to lose. Had it a few years, had it when the knee was damaged, but no, it's absolutely, I can press, I almost feel the bones. It's just, oh, it's the best it's felt. 9 hours it was on today. They say don't leave it on for too long, but take it off now. Anyway, thanks for watching.